It's a cold wind, but I'm sweating, and I've got down to thin top, 2 little vests, and I'm still sweating. The thing is, oh great, there's frigging kestrels. They think I'm a squirrel, or I'm carrying a squirrel on my head, which means that they dive bomb me. Anyway, what I might have to do, because I don't want to go putting on dry layers now, when I'm not even halfway, because I came from down over there. I'm not even halfway yet, so I'm going up the hill. If I start putting on more layers and getting down wet, I'm going to be completely fucked. So what I might do is take what I'm wearing and turn it inside out. Literally just 30 seconds, take it off, flip it inside out, put it back on. That way the damp is on the outside, dries on the inside. And the damp can dry in the air. If you're getting a sweaty back, put something between your back and your pack. That allows airflow and the sweat to evaporate, dissipate, melt away. Fucking sunlight is so bright. When it's off to the side, it's not too bad, but half the time I'm walking straight into it and it's murder. Although my headache is going, well, the headache, for some reason in the house, I know the reason. It's a combination of the damp in the house and all the electronic signals. Your brain is an electronic device. It works on electrical impulses, therefore the more electronics you have around you, the more fucked up you're going to be in the head, emotionally, physically, and also psychotically, with regard to getting headaches. So even being up here where there's still a lot of Wi-Fi, I mean every 50 meters up in the hills there's a G4 network tower, and there's a G5 there, there's a G5 there, there's 2 G5s down there. It's only a small town. Why on earth do you think they want so many? And they're still cutting down all the trees in town to stop the signal getting blocked. You don't think there's some nefarious reason, do you? Like increasing the frequency, overloading every lithium battery with a Wi-Fi circuit. Kaboom! Walkie's time. That's right, sheep. I'm not worse. You're quite safe there. Because of how steep it is and the constant pain, I'm doing maybe 5 meters before I got to stop. Although I did do 10 meters this time, but it is kind of steep. Very, very steep. Shit. Yeah, no rush. I'd rather take my time. It's not a forced march. I made sure I give myself 3 hours to get up there. And yeah, I'm not rushing. I'd rather take it nice and easy than do even more damage. Shit. I update on the thing with the insurance claim. Yeah, it's now been what, 9 months? Fucking hell. And they're still dragging this shit on. Psychiatric report. Well, it's all just excuses so they can get me to sign over access to my bank account details and my entire personal history of where I went to school when I was a child. For fuck's sake. It's all just a scam to get your details, because they make more money from that than they do from the insurance claim. Oh, fuck. But yeah, psychiatric evaluation is not going to be until the end of February. That's going to be pretty much a year. I was sick of this shit months ago. I'm so tempted to tell them to just fuck off and not bother. It's not worth the grief. I'll pay them a couple of grand to fuck off. It's not worth the fucking stress. I don't need the money. It's that simple. If it was £500,000 or 100 grand, yes, I don't mind taking it up the ass a little bit for that. But for the sake of 20 grand or 30 grand, it's not worth the fucking stress. I mean, yeah, 100 grand would give me 250 in total I got saved, which is enough for me to fuck off, buy an island, get a boat, go off grid. I mean, 250 is enough. 150 to buy a place, including taxes. That'll give me 100 grand. So say 25 to get a boat that's seaworthy and not too complicated. And the rest of it is going to be for infrastructure, food for a few years, supplies. Basic living, but still. So, I felt a twinge on the front of my leg, which is bad. That's where the metalwork is. The twinge feels like something about to pop. I don't think it's the metalwork, I think it's just like muscle or something. So, another break. I'd rather sit here for a couple of minutes, let the pressure ease off, and then try again. It's just kind of steepness is why you always keep your stick tied to you. You drop that, it's a hell of a long walk to go and get it back. Nearly there. Holy crap. Very acutely aware that if I twist my leg at the wrong angle, that metalwork is going to snap my kneecap in half. Oh, shit. So if I do start to twist too much, I'm just going to roll on purpose. I am not going to try and fight it. Stab, walk, stab, walk. Good stabby stick. Squirrels, bastards. Now, you start looking for... There's plenty of dead wood around. Normally I just rush it and blitz it with rubbish. This time, get some wood together, get it set up. Because I've got, from the looks of things, an hour before sunset. So I've got time.